Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? In this short, very short video, we are going to study the words un and uno. That's it. Un and uno. These words are very similar, but they work in a different way. So stick around until the end of the video because it will help you avoid confusions with these two words. Vamos! Okay, let's start with un. Un is a description, so it has to work with a noun, and it will be singular, plural, masculine, or feminine. Por ejemplo, un perro, un gato, una vaca, una fiesta, un cantante. Pay attention to how we place un or una before the noun. Un or una will work like a or an in English. Now, the plural of these words, unos or unas, will work like algunos or algunas. They are very similar. Unos, algunos, unas, algunas. Por ejemplo, unos gatos tienen color blanco y otros no. Algunos gatos tienen color blanco y otros no. The message is very, very, very similar. Unos cantantes son buenos y otros son ridículos. Algunos cantantes son buenos y otros son ridículos. Unas personas usan iPhone y otras usan Android. Algunas personas usan iPhone y otras Android. Casi lo mismo. Now, let's talk about uno. But we are not going to talk about the number, we are not going to talk about the game either. We are going to talk about uno as a word that indicates one unit of something. Even though the literal meaning and the spelling are the same in both cases, they are two different things. Grammatically talking, they are two different things, but we are not going to get very technical here. So, uno, one unit of something, and we will need context to understand what that something is. It could be masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. Por ejemplo, Juan tiene 3 carros, pero solo necesita uno. Juan tiene 3 carros, pero solo necesita uno. Hoy vi 2 pájaros en mi jardín, pero solo pude tomar una foto de uno. Hoy vi 2 pájaros en mi jardín, pero solo pude tomar una foto de uno. Tengo 5 manzanas, pero solo una es roja. Tengo 5 manzanas, pero solo una es roja. And one more little thing, just one more little thing. Never, never, ever, ever, I mean nunca, say something like uno gato, uno carro, uno problema, etc., etc. Never say uno plus a noun. Uno does not go next to a noun. Uno does not go next to a noun. Un does, but uno no. Again, never say something like uno perro, uno pájaro, uno juguete. No, it's un perro, un pájaro, un juguete, etc., etc. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the thumbs up, and leave on the comment section below your own examples using these words. I'll be happy to take a look at that and let you know my feedback. Como siempre, yo soy Giancarlo y yo apruebo este mensaje. Chao.